Hey kids, we're going to be working on my Tacoma today. Something that's going to make it look a little better. By that I mean a lot better. We're going to fix these messed up headlights right now. Stick around. All right, I want to put it out there right now. I don't really know what I'm doing because it's new-ish. By that I mean 2011. So looks like I got to take the grill out maybe or something. We're going to find out. That's right. So I found some Phillips screws. Why are you back there? I don't know. You tell me. They're right here. Do you have a magnetic thing? No. So we have this. And we have each other. I don't know what that means. Something. Oh, I'll tell you what. We're in the junkyard. No, we're not working in the shop today. No, the Tacoma's not junk. Okay, it is a little. I'm gonna need a flat tip screwdriver. Look, I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's get a magnetic tray too. I grabbed a needle nose too, just in case. Just in case what? I don't know what I'm doing. That's what. Yeah. So this is real. What's this do? Oh, hey, these, you pop this up like that. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. What's that do? Okay, yep. What's this? Okay, we're closer. Oh, got a couple of bolts. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Instead of wasting all of your evening or daytime, I'm going to get this off, and then we'll show you what we're going to do. We're almost there. There's a bunch of little clips in here and stuff. Why? So, now we got this. You guys can't even see it. Now, what do we got over here? Okay, yep. Okay, we gotta put one there. And we gotta take these up. Okay, like that. And then we gotta take this out. Well, let's see. All right, running into a little problem. There's a hidden 10mm bolt down in here. Never see that again. And then down here too. So I got to figure that out, how to get there. Once I get there, I'll tell you how. Okay, see ya. Let me show you the new one. See? Like, it didn't fender well. Why? I don't know. But I'm gonna get that out. 10mm, that's all I need. All right, I want to show you what you gotta do. On this side, you can reach it. But you gotta get way up here. Then you gotta use the force, or the Schwartz, whichever. And then you just kind of like that. How's it going? Yeah, I got it to, yeah. I know. It's like this long. Okay, well, it fell off, so it was a good time to stop. See you in a minute. All right, got it. But a couple things happened. One, the bolt is now, I'm never gonna see it again. And then now this is going to come out. Why? I don't know, you tell me. Oh, it's gotta be smarter than it, I guess. And then we got another little light right here. Just need a flat tip screwdriver. What'd you guys do with it? Oh, here we go. That's out. Oh, now we gotta do it again. Took this off because it goes on top here, but I have a feeling that we're gonna have to get some more stick tape, or we're gonna have to get some more of this, but that's fine for now. Now, the real purpose of this video, stick around. Yeah. We actually were sent some LED headlights for our Tacoma. They're by Novsight. Adventure's calling. Yep. Their website is Novsight.com. Let's take a peek. Oh, we got instruction manual. We're gonna, okay. Now, put that up here. I'm just gonna take a peek here. Yep, take that off. Okay, turn it. Yep, okay. Make sure you follow your directions. Now, I've been told by Foothill Mow to not touch these, so I'm not touching them. So, I'm going to get the plug out and we'll show you how to put them in. They only fit in there one way, and then you give them a little snuggeroo with your clippity-doo here. This thing. No. And just clip that down, hook it in there, and then we'll put the boot back on. We'll show you how to put it back in. Clip. Rubber, a gasket, like that, right? And then put our plug on there. It's already got some dielectric grease on it. Plug her home. Like that. And then we'll hook up the rest of these, bring it back around. Kids, I got it in there. So what I'm going to do is, now that you saw kind of how it's done, I'm going to take care of that one and put the grill back, and then we're going to show you how they look. There's a before over there, and the after. I think the after looks pretty darn good. What do you think? Yeah? One thing you got to make sure when you put the bulb in is that it's just like the instructions. It'll fit in there one way perfectly, the other ones it won't. So that's what we got. Now, we got to do that over there. We'll bring it back in when I'm all done with it. You got a nice before and after though. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our Tacoma back together. We're going to try these lights. Hopefully they'll everything goes just as planned, right? Yeah, I'm excited. Hidden 10mm bolt, way up. You can hardly get it, but if you're got gorilla arms, you can get it. It's not messing around. All right, kids, we got it. So now we're just gonna do this again. And I'll bring it up there so I can show you. Right there, see? Well, let's make some extra hands. Now we got a whole bunch of clips and stuff that we gotta put back on. And let me tell you what, I'm gonna tell you something. These headlight, I mean, the actual bulb's going super easy, just taking everything else out. So honestly, you just, you know, and then you replace it. That's simple as it is. But we're going about it the whole 9. So take that clip, put it in, fits one way. The 3 prongs should look like that. 1 on the top. Just like that. And then you can see in there, straight up and down. All right, boys and girls, we got them in there. I do have a couple of bolts that I have to put back in. There's some down here because I left them out because it's going to start raining any minute. And I want to show you the lights. So let me get finished cleaning up and we're going to hit those lights. We'll have to wait for the night part for a non-rainy night. Eddie Rabbit once said, I love a rainy night. Now when you're trying to do something. All right, you got cleaned up. Now, to actually change the headlights would take not that long at all. The bulbs. But when you have to change everything, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Now, I have some clips that broke. You might as well count on that being older ones. So that's just what it is, you know? Now, let's get you centered up. And I've got some clips in there that I can use. So, okay, yep, Okay, here we go. Boom! Oh yeah, I can tell those are brighter already. They're lighting up the trees right over there. Boom, yeah. Now the lights are working. Now, I'm going to turn on turn signal. Yep. Perfect. We're good. We're good. One more check. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's lighting up the trees way over there. Man, oh man. That's cool. We're gonna go in the shop, talk about what we learned today. Because I'll tell you what, I'm really excited about those headlights. Yeah, the bulbs. Because I'll tell you what, I don't know if you've ever driven an older vehicle with yellow lights and cracked stuff. It's not good. Now, here we go. These are Novsight LED light bulbs for the Toyota Tacoma. Now these are for, mine's a 2011, so in that year frame, it is the H4. If you have a Tacoma and Novsight is something you want to try out, that's the bulb you look for, the H4. Now, I'll tell you what, I am darn impressed with these. Now, very easy to put in. It just happened that I needed to change the headlight housing at the same time. But you check out their website down the thing, H4, Novsight. That's right. They're 100% Honest Paint and Speed Shop approved. You better go get one or a pair. You know what? They're fantastic. It lit way up there and it's still light out. Now, check out the link, hit the subscribe, all that cool stuff. Novsight, thank you so much for working with us. This was a blast. I spent some time on the dirt, so that was cool. That hidden thing, it's way up in the, yeah. It's not what you'd call fantastic. That's all right. So, rambling. Hope everybody has a great, whatever time of the day it is for you. And check out Novsight. Keep on wrenching.